Hey, Greece and Rome people. Started this channel mainly to put videos up for the classes that I teach at San Diego State University. But I never asked my students to subscribe. I never asked one student to subscribe. But here I have a few hundred subscribers. And I want to kind of start making some more videos tailored to those who want to learn about ancient Greece and Rome, the languages, the literature, philosophy, etc. So let me start off with the 3 minutes to give you a tip on how to learn the Greek alphabet. I got an email today actually from a student asking me how to go about doing that. And it occurred to me that there must be videos on YouTube that teaches you this. And I looked around and there are, but I noticed something. They teach the Greek alphabet in a way that I assumed I would need to learn it when I first started learning Greek, and that is in an intellectual way, in a rational way. And it'd be expected that that would be the way that people would go about trying to learn anything, right? You apply your mind logically to understand something. But no, when it comes to the Greek alphabet, the way to learn it is as a song, as music, the way a child learns a language. Okay, so here's my tip. Learn 4 letters at a time, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and you say that over and over and over and over and over until you get so sick of it that it's second nature to you. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, alpha, beta, gamma, over and over. Then you bring the next 4 in, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, over and over and over. Then you go to the next 4, etc. Once you master each set of 4, you also practice doing the ones that preceded it. So, for example, if you learn alpha, beta, gamma, delta, then you go to epsilon, zeta, eta, theta. Then you have alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta. And then alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu. Nu, xi, omicron, pi, rho, sigma, tau, epsilon, phi, he, psi, omega. So you go through it, and eventually you'll be able to do that, but do 4 at a time, over and over, and write them. Write the letters as you learn them the first 20 or so times that you recite them at least, and then recite it at least 100 times. And within a few days, you should have it mastered. So I'll get more into it some other time, but that's good enough for now.